What if the secret to the most explosive plant growth you've ever seen was sitting in your kitchen cupboard right now, and you've been throwing it away for years? 1 tablespoon. That's all it takes. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn this into 2 full liters of powerful natural fertilizer for almost zero cost. Your tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, onions, every plant in your garden is about to thank you. Before we start, let me tell you why this actually works. Because this isn't just a folk remedy. There's real science behind it. Oats are packed with 3 things every plant desperately needs. Nitrogen, for strong, green leafy growth. Phosphorus, for healthy roots and flowering. And potassium, for disease resistance and fruit development. On top of that, oats have a mild, neutral pH, so they won't throw off your soil balance. And unlike synthetic fertilizers that can overwhelm and even burn your plants, oatmeal releases its nutrients slowly and gradually. Your plants get steady, sustained support rather than one big shock. And the best part? 1 bag of oats costs almost nothing and will last you an entire growing season. Here's exactly how to make it. It takes about 5 minutes of active time, then you just let it do its thing. Step 1, take 1 tablespoon of regular oatmeal and grind it into a fine powder. A coffee grinder, blender, or even a pestle and mortar works perfectly. Grinding it is important. It breaks down the oat cell structure and releases the nutrients into the water much faster. Step 2, add your oat powder to half a liter of warm water. Warm water helps everything dissolve and activate properly. Give it a good stir, then leave it to soak for a few hours. I usually prepare mine in the morning, and it's ready by lunchtime. Step 3, once it's soaked, strain the liquid through cheesecloth or a fine strainer. You want a clean, clear liquid with no chunky bits that could clog your soil or watering can. Step 4, dilute your strained liquid with another 1.5 liters of water. And that's it. You now have 2 full liters of natural, plant-ready liquid fertilizer. From 1 spoonful of oats. Incredible. Pour it slowly and directly onto the soil around the base of your plants, not onto the leaves. You want the roots to absorb it. Use it once a month, either just before planting to prepare the soil or during the growing season to give your plants ongoing support. You'll notice the difference within a few weeks. Deeper green leaves, stronger stems, and much better fruiting. It works brilliantly on tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, onions, garlic, flowers, pretty much anything you're growing. I've even used it on indoor houseplants with great nature. Really does give us everything we need. Sometimes we just need to know where to look. And your oat cupboard has been sitting on a gardening goldmine this whole time. Before you go, drop a comment below and tell me where in the world you're watching from. I genuinely love seeing where this community reaches, and I read every single one. If this helped you, hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it helps more gardeners find this video. And subscribe if you haven't already. It's completely free and I share practical, useful tips just like this every single day. Give it a try this weekend. Your plants will show you the results. See you in the next one on Pour This on Your Peppers and watch them explode with growth.